plan is to have, our plan is to have a play area for Flynn right here. We're gonna have a tent, which we ordered, so gonna come in a couple of days. And the desk area is gonna be more here where the window is. Okay. This one is dead. Good morning. Good morning.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time.
Good morning, guys. I haven't talked to you in a while, and I had some pretty busy weeks. So German. I had some pretty busy weeks, and a lot of things were happening. What you just saw before was we rearranged our whole living room space, so we don't really have a living room. We have one big room in our apartment, which is a living room, the kitchen, my studio space, dining area, and then also Flynn's play area, which is right there. Basically, I had to minimize my space, and I'm gonna give you a little tiny tour in this vlog. And then what else happened? And then I was sick, like really sick for only a day, but it completely knocked me off, and I didn't feel like filming anything of this. And then it was also my birthday. I turned 27 years last Monday, and I celebrated with Dom and Flynn and Cooper, and we spent the day together. And then in the evening, two of my best friends came over, and then this weekend my family, like my parents and my sister, came to Berlin to visit us to celebrate. What else happened? Oh yeah, I cut myself a fringe, wear bangs, however it's called. And today I have to draw something. I'm gonna take you with me, but first we're gonna get coffee.
My God, it is just enough to get by. Oh, now I know what it means to grow. Oh, yeah, now I know.
home. It's freaking cold outside. And I am going to feed Flynn first, and then I'm gonna draw something. What is this guy doing? Hello, mister. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is what I'm currently drawing. And it's a chocolate lava cake. I'm drawing it because we are doing a challenge on my Patreon page, which is called the Patreon Sketch Club. And every month we decide on a topic, and then everybody draws something for this challenge. So this is the sketch. Not the sketch, it's the color test. And right now I am going to finish the illustration, make it more neat. It's very rare for me to draw anything else besides people, but it feels very cool to draw something else, and it's fun, and it kind of reminds me of last summer where I always drew things like this. I am done. This is my entry for the Patreon Sketch Club for September. It was a lot of fun to draw something like this again. Okay, I promised you guys an updated Workspace tour. So, I'm gonna show you from here. So this is my workspace. So I have two of these shelves. I'm gonna start on the top. So here's something unrelated to work, but I have this little plant book here, which I always use and need. In these two organizers, I have some papers and also some gifts that you guys sent me in my PO box. And then the YouTube play button, two books I really like. And then there's also a riffle paper print in the back, because I'm a big fan of riffle paper. And then on this shelf I have two of my current sketchbooks, my tripod for the phone, and my plant which I propagated. And then I also have some gift wrapping paper under here. And then here I have this little organizer. It is from IKEA. Basically everything you see in this workspace is from IKEA. It is not super organized, but I have my markers here, also markers, and then here I have some old brushes. I sometimes use this for texture, like for making textures and stuff. Some, random stuff, markers, and then also colored pencils. And then some more colored pencils. And then here are some of my liquid watercolors. I got some from Ecoline. And then here are my inks. I have red ink, and then this is black ink. And then here I have this little cut thing I used when I had my online shop. And then here I have my mixing palette. This is a little printer for Polaroid pictures. And then here I have three of my watercolor palettes. This one is the one that I always use when I draw with watercolors. And it's from Sennelier. And these colors are amazing. And then here is a bag full of more colored pencils. Here are some wax pastels. And then you guys always ask me about the manga tutorial books I always talk about. So these are the ones that I have. I think they're just German. I don't think you can get these in English, but basically this one is about proportions, this one is about faces and emotions, and this one is about hand and feet. And then this one is about movement. I can really recommend them. I don't have English ones though. And then down here we have some art books. Those are Disney and Pixar art books. So this one is Coco, Moana. This one is not from Disney, but it's one I really recommend. It is called Color and Light, a guide for the realistic painter, and it is by James Gurney. And then I have Zootopia, which is one of my favorite art books. I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna get all of them out now. But yeah, if you want an art book tour, let me know. This is the next organizer. It is also from IKEA. I have this little plant here, my iPad, which I use every single day. This is from my lamp, so I can switch it on and off. And then in here I have everything for editing videos, everything I need, like cables, USB stuff, and my hard drive, and everything I need so it looks neat and tidy. And then here I have my favorite markers and favorite colored pencils, so I always have them near me. In the back I have washi tape and some of this, I don't know how it's called, and then some do not bend stickers, which are from the times of my online shop. Here I have my little stamp with my address and some stuff I will never need. And then here are some more art books and my laptop and my Switch right there in the back, and some more art books I love. And my favorite art book by far is this one by Laya Lopez. I think I talked about it 100 times already. And this is my desk, and here I have my planner. It is from Mosseri, my phone charger, and then my little earpods. I don't know if I showed you guys, but how cute is this? It is so cute. And then I got this from Dom for my birthday. And yeah, I have a lot of plants in here. And then under my desk in the back I have my printer, so it's not in the way. And I think that's it. This is my planner. It is still on July. We have September now. But this is also from Riffle paper. You know what? Let me change that real quick. September. It is almost October, so you know how far behind I am. Okay, much better. And then I also have this little area. It's like a desk for the wall, and it's just for me, I don't know, I use it like a little quiet space for writing. When I'm here, I'm not so distracted. And yeah, so this is it. This is my workspace. Let me know if you want an art book tour, because I can definitely talk about some of the books I have. So I completely forgot to film an ending for this vlog. Here you can see me planning my October and all the content I want to produce, because we are going away on a trip and I have to prepare some stuff before we go. So I'm planning it already, and I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, leave me a thumbs up or a comment, and I always love reading your guys' comments. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I see you next time. Bye!